So here's how to get a free discount code on Temu. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. So as you can see, we're currently in the Temu website. Over here, you can scroll through or use the search bar to search for any product that you want. I'll just go through the deal section and choose my items from here. For example, let's go with this one right here. So after selecting your desired item, you need to choose your preferences depending on the item. For this one, I'll have to choose from these colors. Then let's click on the Add button. So for this, we need to choose the size as well. So after choosing it, let's click on the Add button again. After that, we'll see this pop up on the right side. Let's click on Go to Cart. And this right here is the item that we've added to our cart. You can see all the details and also the discount. If we click on the checkout option, you can notice that we've not reached the minimum order amount. So if you get this prompt, just go through the items available or use the search bar to search for any of your desired items and add them to fulfill your order requirement. Then click on Continue to Checkout. So once you're here, on the Enter Coupon Code section, just type in my coupon code ACR697477 in order to get a 30% discount. Then just click on Apply, which will add the additional discount onto your order. And after it's done and set up, just click on Submit Order in order to confirm. And that's it. That is exactly how to get Temu free discount code.